come and look at
What am I looking at?
the size. You say you want
This one. These one are the red.
Yes.
I would prefer take them here.
Alright, so tell me, just pick up the ones you want, and I'll wait for you.
Okay. Check this one and yeah, check this one.
Alright.
Yeah.
And this is a little different variety red than that one. We have red, purple, pink, white.
There's purple?
Yes. You have purple, pink, white.
It looked beautiful. You know that?
Yes, it does. Alright, so I'll weigh these for you.
Yes, please.
And you have the whites already. 1 pound and 13 ounces. So you can just call it 1 and 3.
Junior, careful. That's a white dragon fruit. Okay.
Where's deadliest fruits? Just so you know, I'm gonna be trying this first.
Okay.
Why? Because I want to.
Not too much, but just to point some.
Yeah, just alright, so you have 4 pounds then basically.
Do you know I really want to try a Chinese orange.
Which Chinese one?
And Chinese mangoes, they have no seeds.
seeds.
Chinese mangoes have no seeds.
Let me see your bags, Junior. Okay. All that for this.
Seems to be 1,000.
You can use the skin for tea.
Oh yes, you told me. Right. Thank you, Sheena. I found her on Instagram and she sold me 2 white dragon fruit and 3 red dragon fruit for 10,000 Jamaican dollars. Let me see your dragon fruit. Kitchen mein.
What's the most dangerous fruit?
Jonas make me buy this fruit for $700 and now he's excited and nervous.
Are you sure about this? It's not the poisonous, just so you know.
Smells like this.
You drop off?
Yeah, I take some off.
Okay. Eat it.
I want to eat this side though, because this one right out, please.
Tell me how it tastes. If it tastes good and it's not burning, give it to mommy. If it tastes like sour something. Because if you
Have it.
I'm scared.
Okay. Well, welcome. Continue tomorrow.
Junior actually is a fruit person. He should try it.
It's not bad.
Come, Junior.
It's not bad. Like bananas.
Nice.
Mangoes. How is it?
Does it taste good?
Wow. It's sweet.
Exactly.
It's nice.
Wait till me. Is it
Like
green?
a pineapple infused with Jolly Ranchers and sour sop Jolly
It's
Rancher.
amazing.
Just don't eat it too close to the No, don't eat it. Don't eat it.
It's nice, right? It's nice and sweet, right? Yeah.
I think wash off the black part. I think you should wash off the black part first.
They say that putting in water makes it ripe off.
You know, it look like sweet sauce.
It does.
सीताफल की तरह दिखता है.
and then at the end, you can still taste that spiky little taste, like
Yeah.
like that.
That's the black thing.
Mm. It's really nice.
Was it worth it?
Yeah.
700.
700.
So did y'all also listen to me and trust me?
Yeah.
I said that I was gonna be the one that ate it first.
It is really nice. It's really nice. What do you say? For this?
Yeah.
Alright. Hold it, Jonas.
Oh wait, mommy, I'm putting it in half.
Okay, let's do this. You want the white one first?
I'll have this. Take a spoon. I got it, Dad. Just take a spoon.
No, it's good, Chiku.
No.
Wow, isn't this look beautiful? Bring the plate for me, please.
Wait.
Wow. जूनियर ये खत्म कर दिया तूने.
Should I have this? Or is this? Yeah, be careful. If you use that long one, mommy, be careful with this knife. This knife is the sharpest knife we have.
Okay.
So if you just put it in your fingers, you might use you might also here. Dad.
What?
The dragon fruit taste is different. Why dragon fruit is different?
It's nice, guys.
First time eating dragon fruit, so nice.
No, you're not eating it for the first time. India में खाया था हमने.
नहीं.
Wait, first time eating white dragon fruit.
Oh.
White.
Now the red one. Chintu sir.
I showed Master a video. I showed Master a video and I said the 8 gigabytes. I was like,
Junior, bring your plate. Wow, this looks so cool.
Looks familiar.
I still wonder.
I'm gonna have a taste test. Can I scrape it off? Taste. Taste testing. Does it taste the same? No. So.
It's nice.
This one tastes better. Actually, I don't know which one tastes better.
हाथ धोने के बाद भी मेरा हाथ nice.
No, hell no.
But it's nice, right? And because it's cold, it's nicer.
What?
Are you eating like a baby?
I'm mixing white dragon fruit with some purple dragon fruit.